Hello everyone, Dr. Arshi is here, and today I'm gonna discuss about Shreetropin. As I discussed before, I have finalized my evaluation and I'm gonna share it with you. In the near future, I'm gonna make a video for how to mix the normal distilled water or backed water with the HGH and how to basically calculate how much you need to use. So please don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss that video. Disclaimer, I do not advocate of taking any kind of steroid, human growth hormone or IGF-1, and if you want to do it, please do it at your own risk. These are all for the entertainment purposes. I just share my knowledge and what I did, and the rest is up to you. Please remember, even though I suggest that some of these products are very pure, still we cannot be sure where do you get those products, what is your source, are they counterfeit or not, or even if you could get from the same source, there's a possibility that because some of these material are underground, they could change their quality. The quality could be dropped because there is no rules and regulation for the quality control for so many of these companies. So please do it at your own risk and discuss with your own doctor, and always do your blood test. Now let's get into the HGH. First of all, there are some myths regarding HGH. I want to clarify about that. First of all, does HGH help to maintain and little bit increase the lean muscle mass? Yes, it can, especially at the range of 2 to 3, 4 IU. That's what we can expect it, 2 to 3, 4 IU per day. Second of all, does HGH increase the quality and basically reproduction and therapeutical effect on the joint? Yes, it does. Will it help your skin to look much younger? Yes, it can. Will it help you to lose fat? Absolutely, it can help you to lose fat. It reduces the adipose tissue, and if you're over 50 and you start to taking 2 IU of HGH per day, you can expect 5 to 10% reduction of the body fat without even adding anything extra as an activity to your routine. However, if you start the activity and you be on TRT with right amount of testosterone, this will have a synergistic effect. It will be totally different. So could it increase your libido? The short answer is no. At 1, 2 IU or 3 IU per day, if you are suffering from drastic reduction of the testosterone production in your body and your erectile dysfunction is due to that, you cannot expect much difference. So this is very important because some people think, oh, it doesn't work that way, so maybe something wrong. No, and erectile dysfunction can be linked to so many different problems. So don't count on HGH that it can increase your libido. It does have a very good effect on the back pain, joint pain, which I'm gonna make a video regarding that in the near future. Again, don't forget to miss that. So all of this has been said. So many people are on TRT, and in TRT mostly they only receive testosterone. However, in some cases they can receive some HGH as well, up to 2 IU per day. This is what the recommendation does for over 50-year-old man. So that will have a very good synergistic effect for the amount of testosterone that they're taking. So having both in the combination is the best for the TRT. Now let's go with the quality of the Shreetropin. First of all, Shreetropin, yes, it is 191 amino acids. So it is identical to human HGH. Therefore, if you use this, you're not gonna face some kind of extra inflammation and some kind of side effect that you could experience with taking like 192 chain amino acid Chinese HGH. Beside that, Shreetropin, they claim that is USP grade, has a USP grade purity. What is USP grade? USP grade is a United States pharma grade level. which is the unit, which is the basically specific comparison of when it comes to the sumatropin. They use this USP, and it is that level. It was highly pure, amazingly pure. I was really shocked how good this product has been made. And as I suggested in the previous video, I strongly recommend, if you want to take this, go with the back to water, because each amp has around 10 IU inside, 10 international unit is inside, and some people want to take it every other day also, which is not a bad idea, especially if you are below 50. And for that, you better to have a back to water so it can last for 10 days. So you will lose less amount of HGH in this process. And it absolutely increased the IGF-1 inside your bloodstream. So if you ever try this, you can go within 2 hours after the injection, and if you do the blood test, you can clearly see the IGF-1 increase inside your bloodstream compared to the days that you haven't used this. In the short explanation, I can suggest to take it in the morning, and you should not take much sugary stuff, sugary content food after that. Best is egg or meat or something less amount of sugar inside, and that's one of the things I recommend. In the future, I explain why is that the best way to take the HGH. So I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.